What's the meaning of Arcadia? Arcadia. Arcadia.
Arcadia. Arcadia. Arcadia is a word with multiple meanings. In Greek mythology, it refers to a mountainous region in Greece that was believed to be the home of the god Pan and the site of an idyllic pastoral landscape. In literature and art, it has come to symbolize a utopian, unspoiled natural environment. In modern usage, it can also refer to a place or state of simple happiness and contentment. Overall, the term Arcadia connotes a sense of idealized natural beauty, simplicity, and tranquility.